this morning of, you know, those axle nuts right in the center when you change a hub bearing or you change a CV axle, you know, coming through there. It's very important that you torque this. This one's like 165 foot-pounds on there, but sometimes I used to put them down on the ground, you know, and put a pry bar wedged in between the two wheel studs right here with that, and then torque them. And you can do it that way. It works well. Or stick a screwdriver through the vent. Let me come up there to it. Stick a screwdriver through the vent right there and against the caliper bracket. Then you can pull all you want, and it ain't going nowhere. 250 pounds is a lot of torque. Ain't as young as I used to be. Once you get that done, you take your screwdriver out, put your wheel on, and we torque all of our wheels before we let them go. So just a quick tip, tech, make things easier for you. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out there. See you soon.